This workout plan is an advanced total body workout for muscle definition, with workouts alternating between push, pull, and lower body muscles. This plan is 10 weeks long, made up of 2 blocks, 5 weeks each. Block 1, 5 weeks, 6 days a week. This block includes medium to high rep ranges and uses a push, pull, and leg split. Week 1 of 5, foundations. Day 1 of 6, push. Exercise 1 of 5, barbell bench press, 4 sets for 8 to 10 reps. Muscles worked. Primary, chest. Secondary, shoulders and triceps. Instructions: lie with your glutes and shoulders in contact with the bench, feet flat on the ground. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Lower the bar with control until contact is made with your lower chest, then extend your elbows until they are locked.